Okay, West Coast swing dancers, what if I told you that this move right here was a sugar tuck? We're going to show you how that move is a sugar tuck because it has an anchor step, so it has to be a sugar tuck. What's up? My name is Brian B.
I'm Miss Megan.
Let's build this move piece by piece. So here it is one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. But let me prove to you that it's a sugar push because we need to build this piece by piece for us to understand it. If we did a sugar push, right, then a sugar tuck where Megan comes into me and ends up away from me on count 4. So this is the weird part of the move, kind of understanding the setup. It's going to happen to my left side. I'm going to do this as a basket with basic footwork. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So Megan's passing to my left side, or sort of passing. 1, 2. I'm going to kind of block her here for 3, and I use the right hand to pull her around for 4, 5, and 6. Just like I would in a sugar tuck, I would send her away for count 4. That's the first version. The second version is we want to add a little bit of a sweep to that. So more realistically, we'd have 1, 2. Megan would chill out in this connection. I'm connected away from her. For 3 and 4, I put her back on that foot. Anchor 5 and 6. We can get creative with the anchors. If we did that again, 1, 2, I cut her off to stop her. So I'm actually breaking the rule and going opposite Miss Megan. For 2, she's going to hang out for 3 and 4. We're going to be connected again, and we finish 5 and 6. That is the first version of the move. Second thing we're going to do is do this with a cross hand. Same thing. We could do this like a sugar tuck, right? Sugar tuck over her head. Then we take the same thing where I just do the boring sugar tuck this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And then we kind of do it where I kind of cut her off. 1, 2. So I start to create some tension in this. She hangs out and does whatever she wants for 3, and we both connect for 4, and we anchor 5 and 6. Now if we take 2 hands over, this starts to become more of a move. We still haven't finished it yet. We could do this 1, 2, 3, and 4, both hands over. Switch the hand. We could do it the boring way where I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, both hands over. So now I'm getting used to letting her go to my left side. Then we can do it with the sweep. 1, 2, I cut her off. 3 and 4, I put her on that right foot. 5 and 6. Now we go for the coup de grace. Is that the right word? What does that mean? I don't even know. The fancy. So we're going to dance this in 2-beat increments. 1, 2, I cut her off. We have the 3 and 4. I'm not concerned which foot I'm on. I'm concerned what foot Megan's on. She's on her right foot for 4. We pull her out of the anchor step for 5 and 6 onto her right foot. I now put my right hand here. Let's get that far because that's quite a bit already. Cross hand hold, left hand underneath. We have 1, 2, I cut her off. 3 and 4, I put her on the right foot. Take her out with a rock and go. 5 and 6. My left hand is leading. She's already cheating into this. If she didn't know, maybe she'd be upright. I would start to take this hand to her shoulder. Then she has 2 beats to go through here. Beat, beat onto her right foot. And now we're in the ride position. We ride this out. I put her on her right foot so we can anchor, and it's West Coast swing. Let's try it from this side. Cross hand hold, left hand underneath. 2-beat increments. 1, cut her off 2. She sweeps 3 and 4. That's the second beat. 5 and 6, I pull her out. 5 and 6. I'm letting go on purpose. I'm letting go to show you that this hand is leading, this changes. She goes under on a 2-beat increment. Beat, beat onto her right foot. I pick up the ride, take her all the way around, put her back on that foot, and anchor step. Now speaking of rides, we did a video right here on a bunch of dips, tricks, and rides you can do. But if you want to see how all these patterns go together and want a tree of patterns, a choose your own adventure guide, download Megan's pattern tree chart at the top. It'll show you how all of the patterns in West Coast swing, including this craziness, relate back to, look at me, advanced male footwork, advanced leader footwork, relate back to a sugar push or sugar tuck basic. Download it right here.